and gentlemen, welcome to Singapore Changi Airport, where the local time is 45 minutes past 7 in the evening. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you. Customers require boarding passes for their own connection are requested to connect with the ground staff. Customers holding on boarding passes are advised to check the flight information display for gate and some information. Ladies and gentlemen, next time fly with us, check in online at QatarAirways.com. Enhance your experience and save your time at the airport. Choose your seat, print your boarding pass, and use the fast bag drop counter at the counter to check in your luggage with ease. QatarAirways.com, it couldn't be simpler. Please be informed that now it's safe to use your mobile phone if you wish to do so. On behalf of Qatar Airways, the Warm Alliance, Captain Chris and the rest of the crew, we hope you have enjoyed the flight today, and thank you for flying Qatar Airways. Have a nice day. Cabin code is now down for arrival and cross check.